Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to send out the Q4 grade verification Google form onto your Google Classroom. This Google form will only be sent to students who are eligible for completing Q4. You can push out this Google form onto your Google Classroom to eligible students starting May 4th, and it goes until May 7th. The reason we're stopping at May 7th is because admin needs to present this data starting on May 11th. So it's a really quick turnaround. So let's start with what the email says. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your shared drive. So we're going to go to Google Drive, make sure you're logged into your school Google account, and you're going to find your team drive. Our team drive is called Sims, but if you're at Lakeside, you would find your Lakeside team drive. You're going to double click on this drive, and then you're going to look for the folder that says LFH, Learn from Home Q4 Final Average Verification. Double click on that folder, and you're going to see a Google Sheet that you need to click on. Once you click on the Q4 Google Sheet, you will find your last name. At the very bottom, you'll see different grade levels. So if you teach 7th grade, 8th grade, click on those tabs and you can find your name. I teach 6th grade, so my name is on the first page. And then you will find Google Classroom quiz assignment link. This is the link that we're going to copy and paste into our Google Classroom. So this is the Google form quiz that we will be sending out to eligible students. So I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to go to classroom.google.com. Pick the first class that you want to share this grade verification form with. Then you're going to click on classwork. You need to click Create, Quiz Assignment, and for the title, admin wants us to title this Learn from Home Q4 Report Card Average Verification. So I'm going to copy that title and paste it here. They also want us to copy and paste these directions. So underneath instructions in your email, copy parents, guardian, all the way to report card grade. So I'm going to copy the directions and paste them here. Get rid of that extra space so it's easier to read. And you're going to see something that says blank quiz. You can exit that out because you're not creating a new quiz. It's already been made for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Link. And the link that we're copy and pasting is the link from the Google Sheet. So make sure you're copying the link underneath Google Classroom Quiz Assignment. So I'm going to copy this again, and I'm going to paste the link here. So click Add Link, and now you'll see the Google form is going to show up at the bottom. Then you're going to go to all students, and this is a very, very important part because you don't want to give this to all of your students. You only want to give this to the students who are eligible to end Q4. So let's say that Jeremy was eligible to end Q4, but Marianne was not. I'm only going to check Jeremy's name and not Marianne's name. Then I'm going to click Assign. And now you should see Learn from Home Q4 Report Card Average Assignment underneath classwork for the eligible students. Now let's talk about how we can look at our data. If you go back to that average codes Google Sheet and you slide to the right, you're going to see another link. The second link is under Report Card Final Average Verification Responses. Click on this responses link, and this will show you every student who has filled out the form. So this is all of my data so far. To sort the data so that it's easier for us to look at, because some of us have a lot of students. I know some of us are connections teachers, so you want to make sure that you're sorting the data so that it's easier to read and to enter. The first way I'll show you how to sort is by grade level. So you can select the title, and then you want to click again and drag all the way down to the last piece of data. The whole cell should be highlighted, and then if you click on Data, Sort Sheet by column A to Z, then all of the grade levels will hang out next to each other. So all of the sixth grade students are grouped together, all the seventh grade students are grouped together, and all the eighth grade students are grouped together. You can also sort this by last name using the same exact process. So remember, you can post this anytime between May 4th and May 7th. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.